In today's video, we will be comparing two popular dash cams, the OVAMAN K600 4K dash cam and the Black Pro dash cam. Both cameras promise high-quality recording and advanced features. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into the details and find out which one is the better choice for your needs. The OVAMAN K600 offers stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, ensuring that every detail is captured with clarity, especially during nighttime driving. In contrast, the Black Pro dashcam records in 2.5K and 1080p, which, while still decent, may not provide the same level of detail as the OVAMAN. This difference in resolution can be crucial for capturing important details during an incident. The OVAMAN K600 comes packed with features such as built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, and a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, making it a versatile option for drivers. It also includes a 24-hour parking mode, ensuring your vehicle is monitored at all times. On the other hand, the Black Pro dashcam offers essential features like loop recording and a 160 degrees wide-angle lens, but lacks the advanced connectivity options found in the OVAMAN. When it comes to pricing, the OVAMAN K600 is priced at $109, while the Black Pro dashcam is slightly more affordable at $99. While the OVAMAN offers more advanced features, the Black Pro provides a solid option for those on a budget, making it a great value for money. In conclusion, both the OVAMAN K600 and the Black Pro dashcam have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize video quality and advanced features, the OVAMAN K600 is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with essential features, the Black Pro dashcam is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.